Hello friends, let's talk about the task scheduler in your PC. You can, with the help of the task scheduler, you can start your PC or restart your PC as per your given time, right? So let's see. As you can see, the name of the create a basic task here. So you can put the name whatever you want and then press the next. You can see the multiple option here like daily and weekly option. You just have to select daily if you have required on a particular daily basis. So after that you can see a lot of time here, minutes and second and hours and date, so you can use accordingly. Every if you have required once a day, then you can use it accordingly. After that you can press the next button. So after press the next button, you can get multiple options like a start program and other options. So you choose a start program, then after that you can find the shutdown menu. So in Windows C you can get shutdown option in system 32. After that you can select that shutdown exe file. So just search on the search bar is shutdown exe. After choosing this option, you can get your PC is ready for the uh, ready for the action of the time scheduling. Thanks for watching.